Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Altima key fob battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency key. This step provides access to the key fob's casing, allowing you to proceed with the battery replacement. Now, with the emergency key removed, insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into the small slot you just exposed. Gently twist the screwdriver to carefully pry open the key fob casing. You'll hear a slight click as the two halves begin to separate. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the plastic housing and ensure a smooth opening process. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. To finish, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, test your key fob's functionality with your Nissan Altima to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.